Finish jobs faster, safer, and more accurately with this product. An ergonomic anti-slip handle, smooth slide rails, anti-skid feet, and alloy cutting wheel. You'll be completing jobs faster, safer, and more accurately than you ever thought possible. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accurate laser positioning. Designed with an infrared ray device and special linear bearing block cut parts, this tile cutter delivers professional precision at DIY prices. Number 2. Can cut a variety of tile types and thickness 0.24 inches to 0.6 inches. This tile cutter can handle a variety of tile types. Granite, porcelain, and ceramic are all able to easily be cut into thicknesses of 0.24 inches to 0.6 inches. Number 3. Product dimensions. Max. Cutting length. 40 inches, 1000 mm, min. Cutting width. 1.38 inches, 35 mm. Cutting thickness. 0.24 inches 0.6 inches, 6 mm to 15 mm, 10 mm rubber sponge compound pads. Number 4. Quality customer service. Our after-sales service team is here to ensure you're completely happy with our products. Please don't hesitate and come back to us if the product is defective. Number 5. Sturdy durable frame with anti-skid feet. Built to handle both DIY and professional projects, the strong aluminum frame will last on the job while the retractable anti-skid feet keep your tool firmly in place while cutting. Number 6. Non-slip ergonomic handle. Cutting tile by hand can get exhausting, causing massive pain in the hands or wrists. With its comfortable ergonomic handle, you'll leave the job feeling proud and pain-free. Number 7. Infrared laser positioning for precision cutting. Getting precise cuts has never been easier than with a cozy manual tile cutter. With its powerful and exact infrared laser, each tile will be precise from the first cut to the last. Number 8. Hard alloy cutting wheel. The hard alloy cutting wheel smoothly slices through tile like a hot knife through butter. The sharpness of the wheel allows you to quickly move through pieces while also reducing dust particles that can kick up while cutting. Number 9. Adjustable slide measure. Being precise is the name of the game when it comes to laying tile. The adjustable slide measure makes sure that each piece exactly measures to the last. Number 10. Great for most tile types. Whether it's ceramic, porcelain, granite, or limestone, the cozy manual tile cutter will be able to handle each tile type efficiently. Not suitable for metal, glass, or quarry tiling. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.